1 Chronicles chapter 3. Now these were the sons of David, which were born unto him in Hebron. The first, Amnon of Ahinoam the Jezreelitess. The second, Daniel of Abigail the Carmelitess. The third, Absalom, the son of Maachah, the daughter of Talmai, king of Geshur. The fourth, Adonijah, the son of Haggith. The fifth, Shephatiah of Abital. The sixth, Ithream, by Eglah his wife. These six were born unto him in Hebron, and there he reigned 7 years and 6 months. And in Jerusalem he reigned 33 years. And these were born unto him in Jerusalem: Shimea and Shobab and Nathan and Solomon, 4 of Bathshua, the daughter of Ammiel. Ibhar also, and Elishama, and Eliphelet, and Nogah, and Nepheg, and Japhia, and Elishama, and Eliada, and Eliphelet, 9. These were all the sons of David, beside the sons of the concubines, and Tamar their sister. And Solomon's son was Rehoboam, Abia his son, Asa his son, Jehoshaphat his son, Joram his son, Ahaziah his son, Joash his son, Amaziah his son, Azariah his son, Jotham his son, Ahaz his son, Hezekiah his son, Manasseh his son, Amon his son, Josiah his son. And the sons of Josiah were the firstborn Johanan, the second Jehoiakim, and the third Zedekiah, the fourth Shallum. And the sons of Jehoiakim, Jeconiah his son, Zedekiah his son. And the sons of Jeconiah, Aser, Salathiel his son, Melchiram also, and Pedaiah, and Shenazar, Jechemiah, Hoshima, and Nedabiah. And the sons of Pedaiah were Zerubbabel and Shimei. And the sons of Zerubbabel, Meshullam, and Hananiah, and Shelemith, their sister, and Hashubah, and Ohel, and Berechiah, and Hasadiah, and Jushabhesed, 5. And the sons of Hananiah, Pelatiah, and Jesaiah. And the sons of Raphael, the sons of Arnan, the sons of Obadiah, the sons of Shechaniah, and the sons of Shechaniah, Shimea. And the sons of Shimea, Haddash, and Abigail, and Beriah, and Neariah, and Shaphat, 6. And the sons of Neariah, Elioenai, and Hezekiah, and Azrikam, 3. And the sons of Elioenai were Hodiah, and Eliashib, and Pelaiah, and Akub, and Johanan, and Delaiah, and Anani, 7. 1 Chronicles chapter 4. And the sons of Judah, Pharez, Hezron, and Carmi, and Hur, and Shobal. And Reiah, the son of Shobal, begat Jahath. And Jahath begat Ahumai and Lahad. These are the families of the Zorathites. And these were of the father of Etam, Jezreel, and Ishma, and Idbash. And the name of their sister was Hazelelponi. And Penuel, the father of Gedor, and Ezer, the father of Husha. These are the sons of Hur, the firstborn of Ephrathah, the father of Bethlehem. And Asher, the father of Tekoa, had 2 wives, Helah and Naarah. And Naarah bare him Ahuzam, and Hepher, and Timei, and Hashati. And these were the sons of Naarah. And the sons of Helah were Zereth, and Jezur, and Ethnin. And Koz begat Anub, and Zabibah, and the families of Ahariel, the sons of Haram. And Jabez was more honorable than his brethren, and his mother called his name Jabez, saying, Because I bare him with sorrow. And Jabez called on the God of Israel, saying, O that thou wouldest bless me indeed, and enlarge my coast, and that thine hand might be with me, and that thou wouldest keep me from evil, that it may not grieve me. And God granted him that which he requested. And Chelub, the brother of Shua, begat Meher, which was the father of Eshton. And Eshton begat Bethrapha, and Paseah, and Telhinah, the father of Inarhash. These are the men of Recha. And the sons of Kenaz, Othniel, and Sariah, and the sons of Othniel, Hathith. And Meonothai, begat Ophrah, and Shimea begat Joab, the father of the valley of Cherishim, for they were craftsmen. And the sons of Caleb, the son of Jephunneh, Iru, Eglah, and Nahum. And the sons of Eglah, even Kenaz. And the sons of Jehaleleel, Ziphath, Tiria, and Asariel. And the sons of Ezra were Jether, and Mered, and Epher, and Jalon. And she bare Miriam, and Shimei, and Ishba, the father of Eshtemoa. And his wife, Jehudijah, bare Jared, the father of Geder, and Heber, the father of Succo, and Jekuthiel, the father of Zanoah. And these are the sons of Bathshua, the daughter of Pharaoh, which Mered took. And the sons of his wife, Hodiah, the daughter of Nahum, the father of Keilah, the Garmite, and Eshtemoa, the Maachathite. And the sons of Shimon were Ammon, and Rina, Benhanan, and Tilon. And the sons of Ishi were Zohath and Benzohath. The sons of Shelah, the son of Judah, were the father of Lekah, and Eliada, the father of Marisa, and the families of the house of them that wrought fine linen of the house of Ashbia. And Joachim, and the men of Kozeba, and Joash, and Saraph, who had the dominion in Moab, and Jashubai-Leham, and these are ancient things. These were the potters, and those that dwelt among plants and hedges. There they dwelt with the king for his work. And the sons of Simeon were Nemuel, and Jamin, and Jareb, Zerah, and Shual, Shalom his son, Mibsam his son, Mishma his son. And the sons of Mishma, Hamuel his son, Zechar his son, Shimei his son. And Shimei had 16 sons and 6 daughters. But his brethren had not many children, neither did all their family multiply like the children of Judah. And they dwelt at Beersheba, and Moladah, and Hazar Shual, and at Bilhah, and at Ezem, and at Tolad, and at Bethuel, and at Hormah, and at Ziklag, and at Beth Maraboth, and Hazar Susim, and at Beth Birai, and at Sha'araim. These were their cities unto the reign of David. And their families were Edom, and Ain, Rimmon, and Toshan, and Ashan, 5 cities. And all their villages that were round about the same cities unto Baal. These were their habitations and their genealogy. And Shobab, and Jamlech, and Joshath, the son of Amaziah, and Joel, and Jehu, the son of Joshabiah, and the son of Seraiah, the son of Asiel, and Elionai, and Jacobah, and Jeshahiah, and Asaiah, and Adiel, and Jeshimiel, and Benaiah, and Ziza, the son of Shephi, and the son of Elon, the son of Jedaiah, the son of Shimri, the son of Shemaiah. These, mentioned by their families, were princes in their families, and the house of their fathers increased greatly. And they went to the entrance of Gedor, even unto the east side of the valley, to seek pasture for their flocks. And they found fat pasture and good, and the land was wide and quiet and peaceable, for they of Ham had dwelt there of old. And these written by name came in the days of Hezekiah king of Judah, and smote their tents and the habitations that were found there, and destroyed them utterly unto this day, and dwelt in their rooms, because there was pasture there for their flocks. And some of them, even of the sons of Simeon, 500 men, went to Mount Seir, having for their captains Pelatiah, and Nereiah, and Rephaiah, and Uzziel, the sons of Ishi. And they smote the rest of the Amalekites that were escaped, and dwelt there unto this day. Chronicles chapter 5. Now the sons of Reuben, the firstborn of Israel, for he was the firstborn, but forasmuch as he defiled his father's bed, his birthright was given unto the sons of Joseph, the son of Israel, and the genealogy is not to be reckoned after the birthright. For Judah prevailed above his brethren, and of him came the chief ruler, but the birthright was Joseph's. The sons, I say, of Reuben, the firstborn of Israel, were Hanok and Palu, Hezron and Carmi. The sons of Joel, Shimea his son, Gog his son, Shimei his son, Micah his son, Reaiah his son, Baal his son, Beriah his son, whom Tiglath-Pileser, king of Assyria, carried away captive. He was prince of the Reubenites. And his brethren by their families, when the genealogy of their generations was reckoned, were the chief Jael and Zechariah, and Bela the son of Aziz, the son of Shema, the son of Joel, who dwelt in Aroer, even unto Nebo and Baal-meon. And eastward he inhabited unto the entering in of the wilderness from the river Euphrates, because their cattle were multiplied in the land of Gilead. And in the days of Saul they made war with the Hagarites, who fell by their hand, and they dwelt in their tents throughout all the east land of Gilead. And the children of Gad dwelt over against them in the land of Bashan unto Shalcha, Joel the chief, and Shaphan the next, and Jaani and Shaphat in Bashan. And their brethren of the house of their fathers were Michael and Meshullam and Sheba and Jorai and Jachin and Ziah and Heber, 7. These are the children of Abihail, the son of Huri, the son of Jeroah, the son of Gilead, the son of Michael, the son of Jeshai, the son of Jado, the son of Buz, Atai, the son of Abdiel, the son of Guni, chief of the house of their fathers. And they dwelt in Gilead and Bashan, in their towns, and in all the suburbs of Sharon upon their borders. All these were reckoned by genealogies in the days of Jotham, king of Judah, and in the days of Jeroboam, king of Israel. The sons of Reuben and the Gadites and the half-tribe of Manasseh, of valiant men, men able to bear buckler and sword, and to shoot with bow, and skillful in war, were 44,703 score that went out to the war. And they made war with the Hagarites, with Jeter and Nephesh and Nodab. And they were helped against them, and the Hagarites were delivered into their hand, and all that were with them, for they cried to God in the battle, and he was entreated of them, because they put their trust in him. And they took away their cattle, of their camels 50,000, and of sheep 250,000, and of asses 2,000, and of men 100,000. For there fell down many slain, but the war was of God, and they dwelt in their steads until the captivity. And the children of the half-tribe of Manasseh dwelt in the land, and they increased from Bashan unto Baal-Hermon, and Senir, and unto Mount Hermon. And these were the heads of the house of their fathers, even Epher, and Ishi, and Eliel, and Azriel, and Jeremiah, and Hodaviah, and Jadiel, mighty men of valor, famous men, and heads of the house of their fathers. And they transgressed against the God of their fathers, and went a-whoring after the gods of the people of the land, whom God destroyed before them. And the God of Israel stirred up the spirit of Pul, king of Assyria, and the spirit of Tiglath-Pileser, king of Assyria, and he carried them away, even the Reubenites and the Gadites and the half-tribe of Manasseh, and brought them unto Hala and Habor and Hara, and to the river Gozan unto this day.